So for the last video assignment, I'll be talking about Suncor Energy, which is an oil company that extracts oil in Alberta and sells its oil for US dollars. The question is, would Suncor want a high or low Canadian dollar relative to the US? So in my opinion, I think it is preferable to have a lower Canadian dollar relative to the USD. This is because of foreign exchange rates. So when the Canadian dollar increases relative to the USD, the cost of exports from Canada to the US will increase. In turn, Canadian goods will not be bought because of their higher prices. This is good news for American companies because their goods will be cheaper than imports in their American markets. As exports in Canadian markets, we can use another example, like wine. If a Canadian wine company sells its products in the French markets when the exchange rate is $1 to €1, the cost will be the same in Canada and in France. However, if the exchange rate becomes $2 for €1, the wine will cost half the price in France as it does in Canada. This is good news for Canadian companies as their product is more competitive in foreign markets such as France, and bad news for France because their products will appear to be more expensive. It is also important to note that in this example, the dollar has depreciated against the euro, and the euro has appreciated against the dollar. In order to calculate real exchange rate between two countries, we can use the formula domestic price level divided by foreign price level times the nominal exchange rate. We can use the real exchange rate to determine the currency appreciation and depreciation relative to other countries. Now we can discuss Suncor's decision to sell their products in USD. If the Canadian dollar is lower relative to the USD, Suncor's products will be more competitive in foreign markets because they will cost less to buy if the Canadian dollar was higher relative to the USD. Then Suncor will be losing money because their product will be more expensive to import for foreign countries, in turn making it more expensive to buy, which will decrease the demand for Suncor's oil products. Thank you.